What exactly is the church called to be? To know this, we need to think about what is a Christian called to be. Because the church isn't called to be a building or a place, but a people, a force. A force not just for good, but a force for God, a force of God, made of people who believe Jesus is everything He said He is. A people who choose to take up their cross and die to self, who choose to surrender their own wants, desires, and selfishness, choose to pick up His wants, desires, and humility, who choose to follow Him no matter the cost, who choose to be everything He said to be, choose to do everything He said to do, who choose to love those who hate them, who choose to pray for those who persecute them, who choose to forgive, choose to love, who choose to shine light in the darkness, who choose to advance the kingdom of God, who no longer have to choose to believe in Jesus because they've already chosen to know Jesus, who choose to be the church because Jesus never used the term Christian. No, He was much more blunt than that.